Let's make one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you learn to use the tools Pocket and Pad. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. So the first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint in this edge. So we will create this line here with 30 millimeters and create this sketch here. This line here and this one has same dimensions, 15 millimeters. This one, 20 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and this point, 10 millimeters. So let's create this. Open the FreeCAD, go to parametric part, and go to create a sketch and select the right plane. And here select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch. We'll put the dimensions later. And go to dimensions, the distance here 30 millimeters, the distance here 15, the distance here 20, the distance between this line here and this line is 10 millimeters. And let's add some constraints here. So select the constraints horizontal, vertical, select this point here and select this point. And select the constraints equal, select this line here and select this line. We made this. Select the polyline again and make a line here. And now we will create this sketch here. So this two line here has 10 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line here and this one is 10 millimeters. So let's create this. Select the polyline, click here in this point. I will put the dimensions later. And go to constraint, select the equal, select this line here and this one, and go to dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters, and the distance between these two lines here is 10 millimeters. Just for check the dimensions, the distance between these two lines must be 50 millimeters, okay? We made this. Now go to leave this sketch and go to Pad, select this profile, and we need to extrude this 25 millimeters. So the pad distance here, the length will be 25 millimeters. But here we will select symmetric to plane. So it will be 25/2 to the right side and 25/2 to the left side. And press OK. We made this. Now to finish this exercise, we needed to create this hole here through all this body. So the distance between the center of the circle and this edge here, or the midpoint, is 20 millimeters, and the diameter of this hole has 10 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face here. You can select this face first, no problem. Let me rotate this a little bit. And here select this circle and make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. And go to dimensions, click here in the center of the circle and the midpoint, and the distance here is 20 millimeters, and press OK. Make sure that the circle is vertical with the midpoint. And now leave this sketch and go to Pocket. The profile is this circle here, and the type here, select it through all to make a cut through all this body, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.